Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to display your Kick messages on your OBS. If you have any, or well, Kick chat. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. And also leave a comment and like for the algorithm. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is head over to your Kick, go ahead and log in, press, well, once you're on your channel, go to your channel dashboard or your creator dashboard. And then from here, all you're going to want to go ahead and do is click on this little cogwheel, go ahead to pop out chat, go ahead and copy this like so. And then all you're going to want to go ahead and do is head over into your OBS, go ahead and press add source, browser, okay, and then put the URL for that. And then now that I have that open, I can go ahead and press yo, and then my chat will go ahead and appear here. I'm not too sure about it saying cookies and stuff like that. That's a little bit weird because it's not appearing right here, but I'm not allowed to click on it on my OBS. That's a little weird. Maybe if you like redo it, you could find a way to like maybe fix that, because it's weird that it even says that right there. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them down below. Thank you so much for watching.